So, I know what I said. I initially didn't want the G9 Mark II, but I bought it anyways. Reason for that is that the GH series is just too bulky for me to take them on a trip. As always, we have the paperwork on top. Then here is the camera strap, USB to USB-C cable, power adapter, here's the battery, that's the camera, and we don't get a charger. Oh, come on guys, seriously? No charger. Ta-da! Yeah, pretty much the GH6 in a slimmer format, and of course with a much better autofocus. My GH6 is condemned to be inside as my studio B-roll camera because outside it simply sucks. The autofocus is not good at all, and it has this flickering, this focus pulsing that I can't live with. But this here could be the perfect travel companion. I hope I made a good choice, and I'll let you know about that in a little bit. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.